Wirewe mwancho muligire mugasohega bweli tuko ria tichikabere lituko ria kabere asi umugiro asinze mweli yobosombi ngano nyamangana mange kagenderete. Karibu sana ime ya Getembe TV tunyare gusanga sikionga chinsa isano na ibere chinguruka Matilda Obaigwa na sekta ye itenerete matatu wose Matatu Owners Association ni gubono pataranyara gutwara ukuigwana ne serikali anomuno ase wizara ya itenerete chinguru cyomulero na boigo amaguta tenenire no muwaziri Opiyo Wandayi asichinkwana chenyalete gukorekana obutuko bwa igoro nikobono chitanyalete koreta amatunda ekyo keirire ensemo yobosombi gosetenerete matatu me yense ya Kenya bono batebireti bali gocha gukora ose bali gocha gukora kindi gyonsi ano munasemerebo yabo nigo mugiro yo orabe okugenderera.
But we have not agreed, so that we carry this conversation forward. And you did state that we may have tomorrow Tuesday, we may have tomorrow Wednesday. Are we clear, members?
Yes.
We did not agree in anything. They gave us 10 according to what they are going to have a conversation with EPRA. And we did state 35 up to 30. That was the communication. With all due respect, we respect each one of us here. Yes. And that is what we want it to go out, so that to our members and to the nation, that we did not come here in anything or to set up anybody. Together with the government, we are law-abiding citizens and we abide by the law. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
The strike is
Muligire kubwatakana no gutegwana uko ni kubono abonchoreri bange nabo igo bali bakora mangana yobosombi bagendete kwemurunganeria gukonga kwerigori ryobugima yense ayega bagega yekyombekerekia Ibra kuraria amagori ayo agenderere usamagori amaya ya magute petrol ayo agenderere koreta librera kuraso mu cyobosongo nigo bemurunganire bagotuna ubugima wabere ubobe
kumanya musiyoma ndo che mafuta mentre too much ndana kora tisi rekomenda mafuteza kweke
musiko nabo atomunge nata yete kwenda Grigoris na ikase stage ma kwenda Grigoris na ngera gali nchiyo bona ya betere linga tiga bona toso kimoke to na utarama iga kidogo irindo toro sentoro sigende
reason to wakero mupira bona nto intuba abantu to kora matatu twasinyo kitokora tiga tubwe firimbiga tunakora masoesi abana barigera litidi nyomba barigera linaki kweli tata taligazi ndo expect kende nkero ngango chari ne chibese
na tare kurkemba kabakigatika gatumukire nchera ani omoto ya mafuta gari chiyo para
yetembenere yuga yatokonya ekeburi konyango ora siringi ya 50 ere kiament esukari ere ikresingi 100
kora togata bigunga wana mama mboga tokayunga nintu togocha ko bekerwe biashara igoro kumbe nalitogo itupia bangina twakure pi
tiera bete itukondio gasiria lero ngwa katoro mupira ngo tumatore ngo kora kitore kiregento asengenje special wasi
igondo monteraba ukoro bosombi korugusigo chi Nairobi na kuru Nairobi goja gusi kortwaga ita kurugoro turaira kende nkeyo usafiri teyo abiria mbayo
mo basio chacho bugodi bona na chire go chai gari amburi no ndaira chandegete yana iko ende tago.
Hali ya mafuta ndio inatusaidia kwa kila kitu, kwa magari, kwa usafiri, kwa mambo ya wa nyumbani, ni mafuta inatusaidia.
Siku ya leo hata jana hakuna biashara na hakuna kinaendelea, si unaona hata tunasimama tu. Tumekaa tukibadilisha migongo kwa kitingine kwa ingine.
Mimi ni muuzaji wa manguo hapa, kutoka asubuhi sijaona customer yeyote.
Maji Ruto angalia hapa. Hii ni wilibara na sukuma lakini mimi maisha imenikalia ngumu. Hata tunakula hii. Maji.
Serikali imeleta mtafaruku, imeleta bugudha. So tungeomba kama ingeliwezekana, kwa heri wala shishari, tungeomba kwamba ipate kuteremusha mafuta, manake Hakika
singane yoyo abonchorera bande na boigo bamenye kurasa umucyo usongo na borobo nego baburi buna serikali tirabake gutegerera ebirero byabo ano muno kiro bakoraga abawaziri bali asichu izara kiria kirengete ugukonga kwerigori ryobugima ne kiro basabiruna rigori rya maguta rinyare gukeigwa elinde banyare kwegendereria.
Secretary General ya Kisii County Transporters. The main reason yagera abantu baito bagachiwe relinga amafuta abaire igoro. Now that amafuta abaire igoro twaranga toiseko sieke para at least no nyamba libago kore biashara na babago feeling a problem nerororo because they are the same people who are feeling the same pain muna antwe
tokiagera twasieke paraga na sengencho obogimo bwa bero bokongu asitore
tu muna bakenya uso mwana inchi tuwaumira muno na kikiagera ria twamwanga tigatoro asieka at least e government yarenga ndo cha bantu mbale gusi bakoumia na taringa ngusioka. Demonstrations are done all over the country.
Wanduthi tumeboeka sana, mafuta iko ngori sana juu, si tunaumia. Kitu tulikuwa tunaombea rais wetu ni one time aende, sisi hatuna ngoni na yeye.
Bosoro bale serikali imbe, baba Simba bale serikali imbe, baba Jalibo bale serikali imbe, tigabaga ende bakwana na Ruto akaya maguta. Ndutu bwati problem. Akaya maguta aganye 2027 tumugingira ngande Singapore sakoteba. Singapore bwa maguta Singapore.
Montonde bwensi ore serikali mokoro kwe minister timbanye tinga a constitution inquiry government ministers bakora siasa teata de yo montokoro kumbadi siasa akakora montokoro kopia wandai siasa akakora. These are the same people bagendre to chanda and they are the same people who are misleading the government.
Murayumia no yo gotegerera abali ba mochore de bakomori bari wiganza egiro ekiagera to konya kura abantu kore igoro ekiroko bayuro gwati abantu nse we kabako muso bojansi bone ko nigo to korera sengenjo ga udigirensa ero de betingo bogimana abale nabo mukyujigo ochire igoro bie ka udie to lense.
We appeal to the government to consider, because honestly speaking obogima komagenda to konga on a daily basis starting a demonstration in a resolution, but it's one way you go pass a message to the government.
Aike kuru motegoro alu abo sare sakayo yo ale te bangonse erinde bintu biche tubwade segi ngone tako tegerera.
Mwancho umurigerera na goska bosio niko bono omo CS korase gitasini kia banyanyimbo kia Central imeyo mocho Nairobi bono anyare tuko ko biara magiga yuko babwatoka ababwatani barengi korobekana litukoregoro ase omochie o Nairobi kolengana ne serikali kusikorengana no kubwatokwae niko bono kigambiro kia gotabuna nigo abogwato gitabo iyo ere maminja yiri chiko kyagera obusagani bwanyarite gukorekana naboigo obusalia obwebinto ebinge korende abakenya bali bakiranira ase chinsemo echo usase gitaseni kyalangata asabekire byara nigo bono banyare kwe murungania na gotabuna goikaba mwegerere goika omoerio.
Alipewa nguvu na OCPD akaambiwa waachilia watu kwa sababu hana hatia yote. Baada kuachilia watu kwenda nyumbani, jioni kulikuwa na press conference by Murkomen ambayo ilisemekana kuna watu 300 ambao wameshikwa, lakini wale watu 300 hawakuwa kwa sababu walikuwa shaachiliwa. Sio kasemana kwamba lazima watu wengine walaumiwe. Unajua kwamba jana watu walipigwa risasi wakaumizwa, sio lazima watu tafutiwe makosa. OCS ni rafiki wa Wakenya. Ukiangalia hapa kuna Wakenya wengi sana. Hao Wakenya wote wamekuja kuunga mkono Bwana Addition. Nasema kwamba akienda kotini tunamtolea bond, tumpigania, na polisi wote Kenya mzima usifuate sheria ambayo si halali. You can disobey legal orders and Kenyans will defend you. So we have solidarity with the OCS. We'll pay his legal fees, we'll support him, and if he's fired, Kenyans will hire him. So from today, he's ours. Si ni kweli? Huyo askari sasa ni wetu, si wa Murkomen ama Kanja, ni wetu. Na askari wote Kenya mzima usipige wa Kenya. Wa Kenya wanaounga polisi mikono, wapewe mshahara mzuri na wapate kuwa wa Kenya. That's why we're here in solidarity with Dishon.
I am also an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Indeed, this morning we've been so surprised that an OCS exercising his constitutionally mandated powers to either decide for suspects to be arraigned in court or to be released. We understand and we all know the law. The OCS has those powers. The OCS is the officer commanding police station. He takes instructions from no one. He takes instructions from the law. So obviously, if at all he has violated any police code of conduct, then that becomes a disciplinary issue. We are surprised that he is being arrested and tried and being dragged through the criminal justice system. But one thing we want to assure Kenyans is that there is a plethora of lawyers, including myself, who have put themselves out there to represent any person who stands with the law.
Wanchumurire ne kiombe ya KNBS getenerete mangana yo mubaro webinto ime yense ya Kenya ono niko kigendete gusangireria na kubwatirana ibirengereri hase omuswade moyo oyora aligereri kogorora ensemo eyo enyare kuba gosekobekwa gutenenerwa neti serikali chichi county hokona kura aigase omuchi busongo niko batabire yone njere yemera nyare gukonya no nyichi county gwetenenera nabo igokurigereria na kiomubaro w'abantu nabo igo ebinto byonsi biri bigotoka ime yensi ya Kenya biranyara gukorekana asinchira ere eyo bwango nabo igo asinchira ere engusu.
We are here today to seek public opinion on the Statistics Bill 2026. This is a bill that seeks to repeal the current Statistics Act Cap 112, which came in place in the year 2006. So as KNBS celebrates 20 years, we are here to say that there have been so many changes technologically. We have the 2010 Constitution that came in place, and it set out the statistics function as a concurrent function. So one of the provisions in the Act, in the bill, is that we want this function devolved and embedded in the national legislation. This will enable the counties to undertake the statistical function without so much interference. And other provisions that are being introduced is the establishment of the authority from the current KNBS. KNBS seeks to expand its mandate beside what is currently in the current Act. So with all that, and we also seek to have a fund established. This fund should be able to assist in the financing of the statistics function. So those are some of the key highlights in the bill. We are also introducing the use of biometric data. There have been challenges in the past, and this is a very well-informed decision after consulting our stakeholders.
Murigereria kiro tugukura ni gongo kumanya buna ikiombe kiria kia Matatu Association ime yensi ya Kenya bono kyanyare gutugutera are umugiro oyu obiriko korekana kurori tukorigoro wika ritukoria rero kurende ase umugaso bono iga bagukwana ni gobono banyare kwera buna chinkwana cyabo nchinyare gukorekana ase amatuko 5 na 2 ari bosyo ne serikali elio koneke buna sector eyo yobosombi yanyare gukora emirimo yabo asinchira engikirano igobono nigo Matatu chonse iranire ase obukoreri gucakira umugaso obono nengana yatwikire na wigonto chiko gendera gukoyemanya asinchira ere eyo boime muno kolinda se bonega obukoreri na wigo busombi bwa Matatu bwiranire emeremo chingoro kwa Matilda uvaigwa kendera kurigereria Getembe TV na kubwa munasense moyeke unga nemerobeliende ekobwati twara uburigererio bya somurobelio rachembeo umurobelio of vibes on vibes.